Alright, YouTube, welcome back. My bad, that's YouTube, bro. No, y'all can keep doing what y'all doing. I'm just. Alright, YouTube, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today, as you can see from the title and the thumbnail, and where I'm at the gun race today. It's one of my favorite activities. I like guns, and I got this one. I haven't even shot it. I bought it like a while back. It's an AR pistol. I haven't shot it. I'm about to test it out, you know. Look at the range. It's a good day today. Nice. The birds are singing and stuff. So yeah. YouTube, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And as you can see from the last clip, I'm at the gun race today. It's a nice day today. I rented out this place. You know, I'm the only one over here in the pistol range. Better go shoot some targets. It's one of my favorite activities. I believe everybody has the right to defend themselves, and I believe in safety. And if you own any of these machineries, I believe you should learn how to use it, and safety is very important. This is my concealed carry. This is what I carry on me because it gets treacherous and this world is crazy. So I believe everybody has that right. And yeah, I'm out here today at the shooting range, so I decided to take you guys with me and show off my little gun collection currently I have right now. I don't have many. I used to have 4 now, but I sold one because I went to my Japan trip and I needed some money, so I got rid of one. So currently I have 3. I got this. It's a Smith. Oh, let me clear it and all that. I got hollows in there. This one, I like this one because it has safety. I like guns with safety, and I really like this one because it looks like a 911 with the little thing on the back. Carry. I like little ones, little micros. It's cool. Then y'all seen this? I like to put attachments. It's like Call of Duty. So far I got this. I want to put a sight on this. It's a Diamondback AR pistol. You know, this is considered a pistol for you non-gun people. This is considered a pistol because it doesn't have the thing in the back, and you can go one hand on it. Then we got my very first one, my old reliable Glide 19. See, I like to put attachments on it. I got the laser, flashlight, and of course, this one's cleared. Nothing in it. 30 rounds on it. Make it look cool. So yeah, today we're at the shooting range. That was my little gun collection, and I should have got some more ammo though. I thought the guy that works here, I thought he would have some more ammo, so that I ran out of ammo for for these big bullets, 5.56. I should went to the store. Might come back, I don't know, another time. Alright, man, but as y'all can see in the last clip, I was shooting the AR pistol. I didn't know how to hold it. It was my first time shooting it, but it was really fun. And it's got power to it. I just gotta learn how to like hold it, get a good feel for it. But yeah, that's for home defense. I'm not carrying that in my car, but if it gets treacherous, all you need is one and done. You're gone, man. But yeah, I ran out of ammo on that. I should have went to the store and picked some up, but I thought bro was gonna have some in the vault, but he doesn't. That's enough AR fun for today. Now we're moving on to the handguns, the Glock, and my Smith & Wesson. This one is smaller, so it has a kick to it. Alright, man, so I ran out of ammo. I'm about to go see if he has 9mm ammo, and then we'll be right back to shooting.
A little later.
You too, so I had to go get some ammo because bro said, hey, it's hot today, but what the? It's about to explode. But nah, bro said he didn't have no ammo. He said I could leave, go buy some ammo, and come back. So I just went, bought some ammo. Came up to $52. But yeah, I'm about to head back to the range, and I'll catch you guys over there. So I'm a little bit rusty. As you can see, I missed 2. But the other ones, gone. Oh, what the heck? I'm a little bit rusty. I don't come here often, as you can see, because it's an expensive activity. And ammo prices and they go up and down. But yeah, that's why I'm out here. Decided to vlog and bring you guys with me, because as you can see, I need more practice. Haven't been here in a long time, but I'm pretty proud of myself for that one. Buddy is not making it. This also helping me because I noticed I forgot the feel of it. You're not supposed to close your eyes, and I was closing my eyes, like hitting the trigger. You gotta learn to not be scared of the trigger and just boom, boom, boom. Keep your eyes open, and then it'll go where you want it to go. I missed a couple on here. Boom. He ain't making it either way. It don't matter if I miss a couple. He ain't making it either way. The only thing I have a hard time is hitting those metal thingies. See those things? Like I be aiming at it, but they don't flip. Or maybe the bullet isn't strong enough, or those are too heavy, but they won't flip. Or I might just be missing it because I do wear glasses and I can't see. Oh yeah, another thing, apart from being kind of an expensive hobby, loading them up is a little bit tedious and it takes a long time because you need two hands and then you gotta put it in there. That's why I got this thing. It came with, some guns come with it. It'll make your life easier. Put it on there. Or I could do it with one hand. And then it's supposed to go in. And just like that, I'm all out. Oh, and I got some more ammo for the AR. So I might as well. Ooh. It's all about how you grab it too. It's like something like this, like boom, boom. I'm not too happy about those. I guess just because it's leaning to the side a little. Yeah, ignore these. Put boom, boom, boom. Neck. Center.
A few minutes later.
Alright guys, so I'm about to test out the AR this time. Last time it was full. And they was looking at me like I was crazy or something. recording, setting up this thing. Buddy right there like moved over there. So if you want to do YouTube, you just gotta not care and just record, bro. But yeah, I'm about to test this one out one last time. And after that, I think I'm gonna wrap it up and just go home. I hope I'm entertaining. I don't really know what to talk about, bro. Bro, I started this YouTube stuff, but in real life, I'm also really quiet. Like, I don't talk at all, for real. The most I talk is like if somebody talks to me, but like, I just say what has to be said and that's done. With this YouTube stuff, I guess I gotta like start conversating with y'all and engage with y'all. I hope y'all like the videos though. Hope it's entertaining. Hope y'all have a good day, because I really do appreciate you guys tuning in. Hey guys, I don't know why, but that felt dangerous. Oh snap, I forgot one. I think these bullets are crazier than the other ones. Yo, I don't know what type of bullets. If I got I think it's the grain, the amount of powder in them. I don't know. But last time I was shooting, I did not see no burst. On this one, I shoot it, and it's like an explosion, and I can hear it through these things. And just like that, $52 down the drain. Hey, but this is fun though. This is real fun. This is my favorite activity. I mean, look at this, bro. It just looks so cool. Like, how can you not like these things? This is crazy. I'm really happy about this thing. Really worth the money. It's getting hot. This tripod is now worth the $14. It's trash. I had to prop it up with a receipt, because if I don't, look, it'll fall. See, it'll fall. That receipt was holding it up, like wedging it in place. I jinxed it from the last video. But yeah, man, I hope you guys liked the video. Got the headphone drip on, you know. But yeah, man, be safe. Watch YouTube videos. Learn how to handle them. Go to a class before you purchase anything. Be mindful that if you carry, you can't always engage into conflict. You gotta keep a cool head. You can't be out here, oh, I got a gun, all that crazy stuff. No, bro. It's a responsibility. It's your duty as a civilized person to do what is right. Protect others. This is just for entertainment purposes. Yeah, man. Entertainment purposes, and this is my little gun collection. It'll probably grow as the years go. But yeah, thanks for tuning in. This has been a day at the gun range with Marlon.